As Congress approaches the so-called fiscal cliff, America has been turned on its head in uncertainty over spending and tax increases. In Utah, a shocking $50 million stimulus proposal is testing whether elected officials are serious about cutting spending or just giving us lip service about eliminating government waste. Proponents of federal spending want to squander $50 million for a water project on the headwaters of the Price River that endangers the water supply of Carbon County.
The main concern of the county is the loss of upwards of 12,000 acre-feet, number one, being built in the smack dab center of our watershed, and number two, the diminishment of the water quality in the area. Schofield Reservoir right now already has water quality problems.
The Bureau of Reclamation is proposing to build a dam for a local agency called the Sanpete Water Conservancy District, even though cheaper alternatives exist to provide water for local residents. Incredibly, this local agency has no staff, no offices, no infrastructure, no trucks, no agency website, and has never sold a drop of water to the residents they claim to serve. Even more shocking, Sanpete County residents have been paying property taxes to this local agency for nothing. The Utah Auditor requires all agencies to submit financial records to the state, but this agency refused to comply for 4 years. This lack of documentation led the state auditor to withhold property taxes paid by local taxpayers to the agency for 4 years, totaling nearly $700,000. A letter from the state auditor to the agency stated that state-allocated funds and property tax will be withheld from your entity. The money the people of Sanpete County paid in taxes just sat in county coffers during the worst economic downturn in 80 years. Dam proponents claim the project is necessary to meet future water needs, but the agency refused to buy water from Carbon County for pennies on the dollar in favor of getting a lucrative $50 million contract.
We have proposed in the past for them to take that as a direct flow and build a dam elsewhere, and we have no problem with that. We've also had other propositions for them as an alternative to this dam, which have all fallen on deaf ears, including buying the water right and helping them develop some water that's already available in their area.
The dam would inundate a blue ribbon trout stream, lower the level of Schofield Reservoir, Utah's second most productive fishery, and dry up a 40,000-acre gorge for wildlife. Is this massive water project really the best use of $50 million of your tax money? Nearly every candidate for office claims they want to lower your taxes and reduce government spending. But all too often, elected officials just give lip service to this cause. Now is the time for those we've elected to live up to their promise and reject big government spending that benefit few while burdening taxpayers for generations. Ask your elected officials to stop giving lip service to reducing wasteful spending. Tell them we need to audit the Sanpete Water Conservancy District and to oppose the wasteful Gooseberry Narrows Dam today.